Hi guys, join us in making an off-road quad cycle from an old bicycle. Once the wheels were off, I removed the tires. Then I drilled holes into the wheel frames, avoiding the spokes. Next, I screwed in semicircle cutouts from unused drainage pipe. I used washers to prevent the screws vibrating loose. Attaching the inner tube can be a little tricky, but make sure to tuck it under the supports. When inflating, make sure the tube is firm but not too hard. I usually give it a squeeze between my thumb and fingers. There should be a bit of give, but you shouldn't be able to dent it in deeply. I used ratchet straps to secure the tube, due to them being strong and durable. To prepare the frame, an angle grinder is the best tool for the job. First to be removed was the front mudguard and front forks from the head tube. Angle grinders are so versatile. They're fast and effective in cutting through metal. You can use them to cut, grind, polish, and sharpen a wide variety of materials. Remember though, when using this tool, always wear PPE, especially safety glasses and work gloves. Once I cut away the chain guard, all that I needed on the frame were the handlebars, top tube, and seat with seat post. It's looking a little bare, but on this next stage, we're gonna be adding to it. I used manual metal arc welding, or commonly known as stick welding. With this method, there is no need to prepare the metal first. The flux coating on each electrode makes sure that the stick welds are tough enough to even cover rust. I welded the rear frame to the seat tube to increase the width and add stability. Make sure that both ends of the rear frame are symmetrical. After I removed the rear holding bar, I welded it to the front of the frame under the handlebars. When welding the frame to the front, ensure the length is identical in length to the rear of the frame. I attached the plate to the head tube for the extended steering forks. Don't forget to check the screws to make sure they're tight enough. Then it was time to check the steering alignment. It's no good if you can't turn those corners. Next, I inserted a circular pipe through a pillow block bearing and bolted this to the frame. This housing provides a clean environment for the sensitive bearings to rotate free from the contaminants while retaining lubrication. After I welded the chainring onto the back frame, I lined up and attached the front ring and pedals. Finally, I could attach the chain from the front to the rear. Perfect! Then it was ready to paint. I covered the chrome parts first with masking tape. I used metal spray paint, which is quick and easy to apply. Since this is gonna be my new toy, I chose my favorite color, blue for the frame. Make sure to get into all those nooks and crannies for a smooth finish. Then we were ready for the grand finale, testing time. I made sure to take a body along to help lift and maneuver the frame. It's easier to attach the tires with the frame upside down. When attaching the tires, tighten the nuts securely. Make sure not to over-tighten though, because this can strip the threads and eventually weaken the studs. I added hubs to allow the wheels to rotate freely. Once the wheels were on, we turned the Quadcycle over to its correct driving position. At this stage, don't forget to inflate the tubes to the correct PSI. Overinflated tires are just as risky as underinflated tires. And he's off! Just as long as he remembers to steer away from me. This Quadcycle can handle different terrains including sand and sea. You have to put a little more effort into pedaling, but this bad boy goes a lot faster now. My next plan is to attach a sail that would save on my energy. Or maybe not. Who knows where I'd end up? We kept the tow rope handy just in case of any problems. Try repurposing an old bicycle into a Quadcycle. I can guarantee you'll have fun. See you next time.